Hey, yo, dude, it's me. I want to ask, how are you doing right now? With all the shit in the world due to the COVID-19, it's not the best. But hey, you going to work on your car right now? You got a lot of time, I think, now. We all sitting at home. Everybody is at home, so nobody can leave home. Nobody can do anything. Meetings, shows, everything is on hold. So, yeah, hey, I hope you will be good next time. And if you want to film a little bit, let's hit me up. We're gonna film it. We got time on our hands right now. And when everything will be better, we're going to be back at the shows and at the meetings. And it will be bigger, better than ever. I guarantee you that. I will see you soon, buddy. See ya.